Aya, guys. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a Bento mom. I make fun and creative lunchboxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So hello guys, I'm back. So it's good to be back. I've been MIA for a while, but glad to be doing this again. So today is August 22, 2023. And today is the first day of Zion's classes for the school year. So she's now in grade 8, but hopefully I'll still be able to share some quick bento box ideas para sa inyong mga kids. So for today, I decided to do this design in relation to my mood. So medyo vacation mode pa tayo. In denial pa, napasukan na. But let's check out and see. So for today's baon, we're gonna be doing a Gudetama bento. Ayan, so this is again something that's very easy to prepare. So of course, for the Gudetama character, we need white rice, and then we need yellow colored rice here. So for this one, I use turmeric powder to color the rice. So you can also use egg yolks to color the rice or anything na yellow. Huwag lang yung mga curry powder because it has taste and your kids might not like it. For the details of Gudetama, of course, we have nori. So this is the brand I'm using today. And for the side dishes ni Zion, for her ulam, she has chicken sausages from Libby's. Yan. And then for her fruits, we have grapes here, which I've already sliced. Ayan, ganyan yung design niya. It's like flower na design. Or it also looks like an eggshell, right? So on the next clip, I'll show you how I made it. For her dessert, we have freshly baked na cookies. Ayan. And on the next clip, again, ayan, habang binibake natin yung cookies. So this was just baked this morning. So I used the oven toaster to bake these batch of cookies. So these are chewy and soft cookies. Kasi gusto ni Zion na soft lang yung cookies. And then, what we have here inside, this is her request. So, this is actually PANCIT CANTON. Ayan. So, it's here inside the stainless jar because Zion wants her baon to always be hot, especially yung PANCIT CANTON. I gave into her cravings because we don't always have her eat PANCIT CANTON. So just once in a while, I know it's not really good for the health, but just this one time, para exciting naman the first day of school. So we're gonna start to put together our bento. So let us create our Gudetama character. So set aside the other ingredients for your side dishes and just get your plain white rice and your yellow colored rice. And then what we need to also have is this cling wrap. Yan. So let's just cut a portion of our cling wrap. And we're gonna have to mold the Gudetama character. So, I told you earlier that this is my current mood. Kasi, you know, Gudetama is a lazy egg, di ba? So, medyo tamad-tamaran tayo. Sa ngayon, dahil, ayun nga, first day, syempre, coming from a very long break. So, ayan. So, this is about 2 tablespoons of rice. So we're just gonna mold the white rice into like the shape of the sunny side up ng egg, the white part. So whichever way you want it, if you want to mold it ng round, it's also fine. But yeah, so basically just wrap it in the cling wrap and then just press it until all the rice is like glued together, kumbaga. It's like compact. Right. So I'm doing this one also for beginners na, you know, for them to have easier instructions to follow. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So again, like what I mentioned, you can just do a round shape, that's fine. So there. Okay, and then let's just set this one aside. And then we'll get another portion of the cling wrap and then do our Gudetama. The next thing that we need is to put this yellow colored rice cling wrap. So I think this is around 1.5 tablespoons of yellow colored rice. And then let's just mold it into like an oval shape. Like this. And just make sure that it fits just right here on top of your rice. And then just create like a little indentation here towards the bottom for the leg of Gudetama. Ayan. There. And then we're gonna put this later on top of the white rice. Okay, so we'll just have to cut now the details of Gudetama. Okay, so just get your nori sheet. Just a very little amount ng nori. Let's just cut a portion. There. We just need to cut out the eyes and the mouth. So we just need 3 oval shapes. So 2 for the eyes and then 1 for the mouth. So there you go, 3 na oval shapes. Okay. There. And then we'll just put it here sa yellow colored rice. There. And then here. There. And then for the mouth, let's get a little bit of white rice. And then we need to put it just on top of the mouth. Just press it. Just get the oval shape that you cut for the mouth and then just press the white rice on top of it. So we'll do that now here. There. And then this is gonna be the mouth. So just put it here. There you go. And then we'll just press it a little bit. Make sure it sticks. There. So we can now put together our bento. So let's set this one aside. And we'll open our bento box. So for today, we're gonna be using the Bolly Baby na bento box. So I'm using this one because it comes with this canister. So it's stainless steel, so it keeps the food warm. Because Zion wants her pancit canton warm. So if we open the bento box, there's a compartment for the canister. Okay, and it's easy to open. So you just pull this one and then yan. Okay. And then, if you can see inside, I have silicone cups here. So this one is from Bright Brands or are from Bright Brands, PH. Here. So these are their jumbo silicone cups. Okay. So we're gonna put the rice here. Let's just place it here. Okay. There, and then here on the sides, we're gonna put the fruits. So, and the ulam. So we're gonna put the ulam here. So when you're making your kids' baons, please make sure to wash your hands. And I'm gonna be putting the fruits here. And then here on this side will be the cookies. So here's our finished product. Ta-da! So that's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share this video. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye!